Hi, my name is Ayesha. I'm currently 19 years old. At the moment, I work as a residential youth worker.
My name is Sabur and I'm a second year law student, and I currently work as a community engagement lead at Landon Rogers Law Firm.
So when you newly arrive to Australia, it's kind of difficult to kind of get your foot down, understand how everything works.
My advice for looking for jobs online, if you're unsure about the type of organisation that you want to work at, but you are sure about the type of work that you want to engage in, is to start with LinkedIn or Indeed or Seek. I like these websites because you can write a broad statement like YouthWorx or education or legal services, and it will be able to give you so many different types of jobs from so many different types of employers.
Where you'd go to find employment or find someone that can help you with your cover letter is maybe your school teachers, people around you, to get them to explain what a cover letter is, what a resume is, and how to get employed. Another good way is to go to services like the youth centre, the library, as they have short courses on stuff like this that are very important.
I really encourage students to take a proactive approach to learning about different career opportunities, different courses, and leaning on the support that's available through career counsellors or teachers or even their fellow classmates as well. Before you even start writing a resume, it's really important to read carefully the job description that you're applying for, look at the job title and also the key responsibilities, as this will really highlight what you're going to be doing on a day-to-day basis.
It's always good to be over-prepared than under-prepared. I watched a lot of YouTube videos in terms of how to really set yourself right to be able to be the right match for your employer and so forth.
I think the key factors that stood out in my resume when I applied for my job as a community engagement lead was the fact that I highlighted my experience at the very front of the resume. So it's really important when writing a resume to list your experiences in chronological order, starting from the most recent experience down to the least recent experience.
They're definitely going to ask questions based on the industry, the field that you're about to apply for. So you want to equip yourself, you want to know what this company is, you want to know why you want to work for them. If possible, just try and allow yourself to be free. Just know that this is another human being. Obviously they're in a higher position in terms of work, but try and kind of see it in that lens, that you're not so enclosed in yourself, but that you're more open, having hand gestures, moving around and just being more fluent. If you're able to do that, they're gonna have a good time, you're gonna have a good time.
Looking for a job can be exhausting and time consuming, and you can face a lot of rejection, but I really encourage you to never stop trying. If one door closes, there's always another door open for you.